Check out our newest feature release. We have some significant affiliate software enhancements that allow magic links and better emails. What are these enhancements? Well, now we have streamlined affiliate management with revamped invite emails and effortless access through magic links in the affiliate portal. Why this matters and how it's going to help you and your business. Now you can invite using emails intelligently with custom domains. Also, magic links are really easy to use and they eliminate the mystery around the client portal. You'll also be able to effortlessly manage affiliates and improve communication. So let's go ahead and access the affiliate manager. First, I'd like you to go to marketing in the left hand menu. Then, as the upper navigation opens up, you're going to choose the affiliate manager. From there, in the drop down menu, go ahead and choose affiliates. Now, go ahead and select an affiliate. You'll do this by clicking on the affiliate's name, and then that's going to open everything up so you can see all of those details. Once that's open, go ahead and click on the login details. From there, you're going to see the new magic link and simply click that to copy the magic link. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.